One handy feature of our FormsBoss software is the ability to store links with various customers and or companies or sales reps. You've got this links tab on several different forms. Let me show you how that works. One thing that it would be handy for a customer, for example, is if this customer's business actually had its own website. You would just click Add Link, enter a description, and click Save. And you'll see that it put this link right down here in the list, and you'd be able to just click directly on that link in order to access the internet link directly. Another handy way to use this feature is for an online document and photo storage programs such as Google Dropbox, for example. Let me show you how to set that up here as well. We're going to go up here to the top of our screen. We're going to right click and get New Tab. Then we're going to type in the address for Google Dropbox, which is https://www.dropbox.com. We're going to hit enter and it will load Dropbox. If you don't already have a Dropbox account, you would just need to click sign up and follow the instructions for how to go about starting a Dropbox account. Since I already do have a Dropbox account, I'm just going to click sign in and enter my username and password, or my email and password. Once you've logged in to your Dropbox account, you'll come up here to this little icon here to upload. And then you'll click Choose Files to choose what files you want to upload. And you'll navigate to where you have whatever document or photograph saved that you want to add into your Dropbox. You'll select that photo or document. Click Open. And it will upload that photo to our Dropbox. We'll click Done. And you'll see here that it has added this photo into our Dropbox. And I'm going to actually pick it up and drag it and put it in the Photos folder right there. Now what we need to do is create a link that is specific to this picture. So I'm going to go back into here to the Photos folder and select that photograph that I just added. I'm going to click Share Link. This is a screen that would allow you to send this link somewhere if you wanted to. I'm actually just wanting to copy the link. So I am going to just on my keyboard get Control C in order to copy the link that it's displaying here. Then I'm going to click Close. I'm going to go back to FormsBoss. I'm going to select Add Link. Give it a description. And then on my keyboard, I'm just going to select Control V to paste that very specific link into the web address. I'm going to click Save, and you'll see that it has listed this new link here under the Links tab for the customer. If you wanted to actually access that link, you could just click right on it here. Let me show you what happens when we do that. And it's going to open up that link with the picture that I saved directly in the Dropbox website. I will note that you are giving access to just this one picture when you create a link like that, so that people who have access to your FormsBoss account and access to that link are not going to then be able to navigate around in your Dropbox account. They will only be able to access this specific picture that we created a link for. So if you have another picture that you want them to see, then you have to create another link, unless you want to give them access to your whole Dropbox account. So it'll have just the link that goes for this specific picture, or you can do it for specific documents, whatever kind of file that you have saved in your Dropbox. So that just shows you how to use the Links tab within various forms in FormsBoss.